Hey guys, I have recently met Luis Fernández Siles. I'm not Spanish, I don't know how to actually pronounce this name, so I'm really sorry, but I wanted to show you a game against him. So, as you can see, we are playing kind of, I don't know I think the opening he's playing is just b3 opening, and my setup is the grunfeld setup. So g6, bishop g7 and d5, right? And I want to castle earlier than, again, fight for the center via c5 and knight to c6. I decide to castle, I decide to take here, because look, if he takes with the pawn, the bishop is blocked, right? So I'm happy. And if the bishop takes, then I'm winning a tempo by developing the knight and forcing him to move away. So I play bishop f5, you see, all the pieces are playing together. I have little advantage in the development. It feels like I'm better here, but I'm not winning yet. And here I think he makes a mouse slip, so I'm really sorry to win against him when he mouse slipped, but whatever. I sacrificed the rook. At this point I'm just addicted to sacrificing the rook. I sacrifice the rook in 50% of my games, and this is not good, man. Really, bishop or a knight, they are not worth a rook. But in this situation everything was okay because I had an advanced pawn. As you can see, bishop g4, and now I needed to really show composure, right? If we take the rook, and queen takes f7, king to h8, queen to g6, and we have problems because there is a threat of bishop takes f6 and queen to h7. So I thought that the only move is bishop c2, and looks like white cannot do anything because they need to move away the queen. No, they don't. They can play knight to f7, forcing me to go king to g8, and then knight to h6. Do you see the plan here? After king f8, we have checkmate. And maybe he wouldn't see, right? No, he surely would. And if I just move back, then you know what happens? Knight to f7. Oh, we are in the same position. Exactly. So I said, no, this is not possible, we cannot do that, and I played rook to c7, defending and attacking the queen, attacking the rook at the same time. I mean, this position is just falling apart. Well, he can, for example, take this, but I can take back. He needs to move to b4, let's say. I take on d1, and that's GG. The pawn is still promoted. Well, Luis Fernández Siles. Let's play another game. Let's connect, maybe. And, you know, let's make chess great again, alright? Let's make chess popular, and let's just all get better at chess. Thank you for watching, guys. You can join my Discord server in the description just for, you know, some coaching, and see you in the next one. Bye.